Hi everybody and welcome to today's EFT session. This session is all about health. It's designed to help you to feel a little bit more energetic, more vibrant, and to help you in your journey to manifest full and beautiful health. I am choosing to feel lighter when it comes to my health. I am choosing to step into my healthiest timeline. I am choosing to be the person who is the epitome of health. I am choosing to be healthy. I am choosing to feel energetic today. I am choosing to feel radiant today. I am choosing to make good choices when it comes to my body, my health, and my fitness today. I am choosing to take full control over my health. I know I deserve to have a healthy body. And I know I can have a healthy body. Even though I might feel tired, even though I might feel a little drained at the minute, I might even feel exhausted. I am choosing to manifest my healthiest self. I am deciding that that is possible for me. I am deciding to shift my frequency when it comes to my health. And I'm deciding to focus on the things that I'm grateful for when it comes to my health right now. Even if that's just a little thing. I'm going to practice gratitude for the body that I have, because it's doing the best that it can. And I'm choosing to manifest better. I am choosing to manifest a life where I wake up energized in the morning. I am choosing to manifest a life where I know I am healthy. I am choosing to manifest a life where I have an abundance of energy. I am choosing to manifest a life where even the doctors tell me how healthy I am. I am choosing to manifest the doctors telling me that I am the picture of health. I am choosing to manifest a life that feels so light, that feels so freeing, that feels so happy. I am choosing to manifest peace in my body. I am choosing to give my body a relaxed environment so that it can heal and that it can re-energize. I am choosing to make a happy space for my body. I am letting go of any habits or any experiences that stress my body. I am choosing to prioritize my health. And I am choosing to prioritize myself and my happiness and my inner peace. Because the more I do that, the healthier I will feel. I know I deserve to have a healthy body. I know I deserve to have a happy life. I know that I can manifest this. And I might not feel different straight away. It might even take a few weeks, it might take a few months, but I know that health is on its way to me. I know that health is on its way to me. I am choosing for health to be on its way to me. And anything I can do today to feel healthy, I'm going to do. Even if that's just listening to my favourite song and having a little bit of a dance. Even if it's just drinking my water today. Even if it's just getting a few extra steps in. I'm going to start making changes today that contribute to my healthy self tomorrow. And the more I do this, the more the compound interest will build up. And the more I do this, the more the universe will meet me halfway. Universe, show me how healthy I can be. Show me how much energy I can have. Show me how happy I can be. In body, mind, and spirit. Drop your arms, take a deep breath in. I hope you enjoyed that session. Please repeat it as often as you feel necessary. Team it up with a good self-concept, like I've already said, and make good choices. Make choices that tomorrow you is going to love. There is an amazing book called Atomic Habits. It teaches you how to make tiny habits, make tiny changes that lead to big changes. Even if it's something as little as drinking your water today, do something today that future you will love. And keep doing things like that every single day. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.